Excellence. It's apparent in every aspect of our work. At Tata Steel, it's our driving passion, striking sparks in the workplace. That fire and spirit which inspired our founder Jamsetji Tata to set up the steel plant in Jamshedpur, the crucible of our endeavours.
Tata Steel has been a significant part of the industrial history of India. We've been around for more than 100 years. We've proved many critics wrong over these 100 years. We've done things which many other companies did not dare to do. We've laid the foundations for many of the rules which are part of the laws today. We've led the way in doing things because that was the right thing to do, not because the law mandated us to do it. And we've been one of the biggest investors in this country over the years.
Today we are a vast conglomerate, spanning the globe with an eye on tomorrow.
We're going to add more capacity in Tata Steel in India in this decade than we did in the last 100 years. Tata Steel is also known for the kind of creative and innovative work that we've done in the marketplace. It's known to be one of the most competitive producers of steel in the world. It's known for its operational excellence, and it is the only metals company outside of Japan to have won the Deming Grand Prize. We were one of the first companies in the world to build a distribution network and to do branding for steel, and doing it very, very successfully.
Working to innovate green steels for the welfare of the planet, improving products through unique processes developed by our R&D, keeping ahead of the times and exceeding expectations.
Tata Steel has always been known to be an equal opportunities employer. We have a large number of people from diverse backgrounds. We are truly a multicultural organization. Tata Steel, as a global enterprise, is present in over 40 countries, and we have over 80,000 employees working in multiple countries in Europe and in India and in Southeast Asia.
A new steel plant in Orissa, new alliances for differentiated product offerings.
Apart from being one of the largest steel companies in India and in the world, we are also one of the largest mining companies in India. We are also one of the largest engineering companies in India because we build steel plants apart from making steel. So a lot of work that we do in the community is around making sure that the community sees a benefit in having Tata Steel amidst them. So in many, many ways, Tata Steel has led the way, not only in the area of steel, but also in the ways corporates should operate in the environment.
Hi everyone. I'm sure you would like to work for an organization which is run by value-based leadership, and also where the values are not just hung on the walls, but where you can sense the values in real terms. In Tata Steel, we provide everything that is required to give you an experience which is challenging, which provides you great opportunity for contribution, and huge opportunities for learning and growth. There are a lot of projects which are cross-functional projects on which all the youngsters are required to work, and you get to know what is your true interest, where is your passion. Apart from all this, we also have a lot of fun activities, and it's up to you what and how you want to make use of the opportunities which are available. So we have plenty of them. You can go up to the base camp of Mount Everest. So as management trainees, you have to be there. You have to go there because that is something we provide from our Tata Steel Adventure Foundation.
Age is no bar for growth, and as I have been in this position of a CFO since I was 34 years old, and that's something which proves that this company is open to new ideas. It cares for new values and new talent across the workforce, and it really looks forward to provide a long-term career growth for its people.
Best part about working over here is the work-life balance, which we actually usually complain about because we have the interest in the so many hobbies we wish to pursue over here. Not only do we have opportunities, but also excellent infrastructure facilities to pursue those.
Professionally, in last 2 years and 2 months, I've grown up from being one of the 8 lakh engineering graduates coming out of different colleges in India to the one who is conversant with latest technologies in mineral extraction and processing. And you get this in addition to alignment with the brand, which has been rated as #1 by Brand Equity for last 2 consecutive years.
I joined this company 17 years back from Hindustan Unilever, and I didn't think I will last more than 17 days in a steel company. Today, I am sitting here as the Chief of Marketing and Sales, managing 15,000 crores of business across the country. But that's where the fun and the journey began. It not only gives you the freedom to try and fail and try again in your work area, but it lets you try in areas where you can affect other employees. You must be wondering, where is it that I'm sitting right now? Well, it is the creche at Tata Steel Tata Center at Calcutta. It's one of its kind in the eastern region, where no other company has such a facility within the premises of the company.
When I joined Tata Steel in the year 2010, we were welcomed to the company with Taj-like hospitality. I must share with you that. In the first year, we were taken around the entire Jamshedpur works, as the entire steel operations is a very rigorous, with in-depth knowledge of a lot of systems and processes. So I really believe that in these 4 years, I have learned a lot in terms of business awareness and business excellence.
The most significant impact that our careers have had on the people around us are interwoven across various aspects of business life, ranging from the community to technology to developing people, providing happiness around us, and many more. I think it is a fascinating aspect for young professionals to join Tata Steel and to experience and live life to its fullest.
I was looking for a great career, balance between my professional and personal life, fun while working, along with an opportunity to pursue my hobbies. I took this decision 2 years back to join this company. Now it's your turn.
Join Tata Steel to not only excel at your work, but also at your life.